Hi, and welcome to this next video in the Agility Dev Environment series. My name is Jardin, and today I'm going to show you how to install a powerful tool by the name of Postman. And before we kick things off, a quick introduction. What is Postman? Well, in short, Postman is a client that you install on your operating system that allows you to interact and test web APIs, or also known as web services. Now, Postman comes with a plethora of capability, including the ability to create mock services, work with teams, create and manage collections, and a number of other things. But the truth is, most of the time, you'll be using Postman for its very simple user interface and the ability just to run web services and manage and measure the responses thereof. So let's get Postman installed, shall we? Right, so here we have my Windows VM running. This is Windows 10. And I've opened up IE Edge over here to the following URL, getpostman.com/apps. That takes us to the download page of Postman's site, and this is where we can go and download Postman for Windows. So I've already done that on my side, and you can see that I've got the Postman installed here on the downloads folder, and I'm going to double click on this now. This takes a couple of moments to install. Once the install is complete, it will automatically launch Postman, and you'll be taken to this launch window, which just allows you to create a couple of quick setups, but I'm just going to close that for now, and this is the interface that you'll be working with pretty much all the time. So to test Postman out, let's run a couple of tests. The first one I'll do is I'll use Agility's API demos endpoint. API demo. Alright, so this should theoretically fail. And we can see when we clicked on the send request, it goes and queries that, and it will return a response. And in this case, the response is in JSON format. And we can see over here that we have a status of 401, which means it's unauthorized. I know already that's because I did not provide the API key as a header parameter over here. So that just shows us, alright, that's great. We can see that that was a failed response. And this is the beauty about using Postman. You can sometimes see why something has gone wrong, which is very difficult to troubleshoot within one's code. Alright, so let's just go to something a lot simpler, which is just accessing Agility's static website, because at the end of the day, any website is just a very simple GET request. So if I send this, I should get a 200 response. There we go. So our status is 200. We can see the size of the payload as well as the time it took to download, or not download, to run. And over here is the HTML payload that was delivered as the response. So this is a very, very powerful tool to interact with these various online services.